Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I did it again. I went to the Dollar Tree. So excited from the stuff that I got. I am telling you guys, the Dollar Tree is so much fun. If you have not Dollar Treed, you seriously need to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it. So first thing I got were these wall creation stickers, and they are just alphabet stickers. So I got one for my daughter's room to spell her name out. And then I also picked up a second one just to put aside for a giveaway, because I love how Nicole kind of picks out things that she thinks people will like, and then she'll just set it aside for a giveaway. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm now gonna start picking stuff up from the Dollar Tree to throw into Dollar Tree giveaways, because I think that that is so much fun. So yeah, I got two of these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spell Scarlett's name. And the quality of these are really great. I have one in my kitchen, the coffee one that I hauled a few weeks ago. It's really great quality, so it hasn't peeled off or anything like that. So excited about that. And then I got a new scrubber for my sink. So I use this to clean my sink, obviously. So I've had it for forever. So I went up and picked a different one, and this is from Scrub Buddies. So I got that. And then I was strolling the baby aisle, and I picked up a, it's basically like Pedialyte, but it's really good to have these in your fridge, because you never know, like, when your kid's gonna wake up in the middle of the night with some sort of like stomach issues. So I thought that having this on hand would be great, so that I'm not having to go out to 24-hour CVS like in the middle of the night. So I picked that up. And then I needed to pick up some dry erase markers, because the magnets I held last week, I realized I didn't have a dry erase marker. So I went ahead and picked these up, and these are fun colors, so I got those. So pack of 4 for $1, pretty good. So it makes them 25 cents. And then I picked up some more snacks for my husband. So I picked up the sugar-free vanilla wafers for these guys, and I like that they are sugar-free as well. So yeah, and you get 5 cookies. So let's see, 160 calories, 9 grams of fat, 23 carbohydrates, 0 sugar, and you get 5 cookies. But if you are someone who's watching their sugar intake, I still wouldn't suggest these, because just because it says sugar-free, there's still the carbohydrates. So you need to factor in the carbohydrates, which then turns into sugar. So just because it says sugar-free, just be careful. And then the next thing I picked up is something that we have had multiple times, and it is the Bud's Best Cookies. These are the vanilla wafers, the bite-sized ones. So I picked these guys up. They did not have the animal cookies, not animal cookies. They didn't have the alphabet cookies that I hauled last week. So when you see a food item, it's not guaranteed to be there the very next week. So maybe if it's something I really like, I should start buying more than one of them. So next thing I picked up was for Scarlett's lunch. It is a 6-pack of graham crackers, and there's 2 graham crackers per package. So I picked these guys up. And then I also picked up a 2-pack of the Brillo Basics sponges. So I use these for, there's a woman walking towards me, probably wondering why I'm showing you guys sponges. Of Brillo Basics sponges. So you get 2 sponges in the package, so it makes them like 50 cents each. So I use those to scrub my dishes. And then I picked up another bag of the Oyster crackers. My husband really enjoyed these, and I did too. And a few of you guys are from the Boston area, and you mentioned that these are the crackers that are served at your local restaurant. So I thought that that was pretty cool. So I picked up the oyster soup crackers, and this is from the Westminster Bakers Company. So these are really good. They were so good that I picked up another one. So Nicole, I'm gonna try your Ultra Shine dishwash detergent packs. So you have raved about these, so I'm gonna give these guys a test. So they are 10 in a pack, they're 10 cents. I think Ashley uses these too. So I'm gonna give these a go and see what I think about them, because getting 10 for $1, that would be a really nice savings if these actually work really well. So I'm gonna test these out, and I'm excited, and I will let you guys know what I think. Okay, so I picked up some flashcards. So the kids, well, Scarlett is on break from preschool, but she's doing summer camp. But I wanted to go ahead and start working with her with some things throughout the summer. So I got some math flashcards, and these are going to be used for Sawyer too, because just because he's 2 doesn't mean he can't start to learn what Scarlett is learning too. So I got some math ones, and then I also got colors and shapes. Now Scarlett knows all of her colors and shapes, so I got these for Sawyer. And then also we're working on his language, so I got some of the alphabet flashcards, and then I also got some first words flashcards. So when Scarlett is at summer camp, then that's my time to kind of sit down with Sawyer and work with him in the areas that he is struggling in. So we're gonna do some more at-home school. So the last batch of stuff is all stationery. So I spotted notebooks from like a mile away, so I picked up so much stationery. So these are my absolute favorite notebooks from the Dollar Tree. I love the hardback notebooks. So the first one I got is Espresso Yourself. I am a coffee fanatic. I love coffee so much. So yeah, this is by Jot, so it just says Espresso Yourself. And then I got this one. It says Make Today Lovely, and I love the saying on it, and purple is my favorite color. As you can see, I'm wearing purple. So I got those. And then I found these at the checkout. So these are the Crown Jewels notebooks. So the first one I got is a flamingo, and it's pink. And then the next one I got is the unicorn. And then I got a pineapple, and then I got a cactus. And to go with them, they have these little sticky notes that match them. So I got a cactus one that says Stick Together. And then I got the pineapple one that says Be Sweet. And then I also got the unicorn that says Be Yourself. And then the flamingo says Stand Tall. So these are really fun. So I got the whole entire set of these, and then I also got an additional pineapple notebook and sticky note. And when I was in the Dollar Tree aisles, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up the whole entire set, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it away to one of you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick a winner from this video to be entered to win I'm just gonna give away this whole stationery set. So if you would like to be entered to win, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, comment anything you want below, and share my YouTube channel on some sort of social media, whether if it's Facebook or Instagram or wherever you want to share my YouTube channel. Those are the 3 ways you're going to be entered to win this giveaway. So one winner is going to pick this, and I will announce the winner on next Saturday's Dollar Tree haul. So I was really excited to find these and pick these up for you guys, because I am really enjoying the Dollar Tree community, because you guys are so incredibly sweet, and I love that we all have this like shared love of the Dollar Tree. So one winner is going to win that. And then the last thing I picked up is some thank you notes. So Scarlett had a birthday party this past Sunday, so I wanted to go ahead and pick up some thank you notes to go ahead and write out the thank you cards for all the gifts that she received. So I spent another $30 here at the Dollar Tree. My husband's probably gonna like roll his eyes when he sees our bank account. He's gonna be like, really, again, Gina? But that's okay. I had so much fun. As you can see, I'm so incredibly excited about everything that I picked up. So this is my Dollar Tree haul for the week, and I overheard the employees talking about when the truck is coming. So they said the truck is coming on Tuesday. So I asked her, I said, when do you think I should be coming? Like, when do you think the stock is going to be unboxed? And she said Thursday. So I think Thursday is 4th of July. So should I be going on Friday, or would I be okay to wait until Saturday? So if the truck comes Tuesday, when should I be trying to hit up the store? So let me know, because I'm so new to the Dollar Tree, and I don't know when is going to be the best time for me to hit up the Dollar Tree for the new stock. So let me know when you guys think that I should be coming back for the new stock. So I hope everyone's having a fantastic Saturday. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.